REM wants to know, what happens when you jump in a hole that goes all the way through the center of the earth?
Oh, yeah. So I'd like the fact that if you dug a hole from the United States, because that's where I live, where would you come out on the other side? And everyone says, if you dig a hole all the way to China.
Right, that's always the case.
That's how we say
dig a hole to China
here in the United States.
That's right.
However, China is not where you will land if you dig a hole through the center of the earth. Because if you dig a hole through the center and you start in the northern hemisphere, you have to end up in the
southern hemisphere.
In the southern hemisphere.
Right.
If you start in the western hemisphere, you got to end up in the
eastern hemisphere.
That's how the geometry works.
Is that because it's a ball?
It's a ball.
Right.
All right. So when I did that and did the measurements on that, if you dug that hole from the United States, you would end up in the Indian Ocean.
Nice.
Okay.
So basically,
the South Indian Ocean.
You just flood the United States.
Yeah,
that's really what you
through.
did. You pop through,